I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing your devices so the transfer starts reliably. Sign into the same Apple ID on the iPhone and source device, then open Settings Photos and enable iCloud Photos. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi connection, plug the iPhone into power, and leave it unlocked so background downloads aren't paused. Once started, iCloud will catalog items, then queue originals for download. This initial step triggers the sync. If you skip power or Wi-Fi, the process will stall. Now manage how photos are stored. In Settings Photos, choose Download and keep originals if you want every iCloud photo physically on the iPhone. Otherwise, optimize storage, keep smaller versions locally. Once done, iCloud will start retrieving full-resolution files, one by one, depending on available space and bandwidth. Make sure you have adequate free storage. If not, clear apps or offload content. Also, check Photos, Apps, Moments, and Albums as files come in. This confirms that downloads are completing. To finish, confirm that all items are present. Open Photos, scroll to the end, and compare the total photo count to iCloud. Once synced, you'll have originals on device and iCloud. If things go wrong, first restart the iPhone, ensure Wi-Fi and power, then sign out and back into iCloud to force a rejoin. If a single album or movie won't download, check storage and reattempt download from that item. Make sure originals exist on iCloud before deleting anything from the source device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.